children. Today we are going to solve some problems from your book. That is class 7 mathematics, exercise 4.4, number 3 as written on the board here. Class 7 subject mathematics, exercise 4.4, number 3, number 1. The chapter itself is simple equations. So here in the question number 3 it is given statement. Out of the statement we are going to convert it into equations and solve them. Let us read the question. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmit have? Here more than 5 times. Times denotes multiply. More than, that is, it denotes plus. Let the number of marbles Parmit has be m. In place of m you can write any other variables like x, y, z or a, b, c. But here as it is marbles, let us put m. So according to the question, or you can write by the question. Now we have to set an equation so that we can find the numbers of Parmit marble. Let us read the question again. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. As the number of marbles Parmit has be m, so by the question five times Parmit marbles plus, that is more than 7 is equal to 37. Now the equation is ready. Now as it is simple equations, let us find out. 5m plus 5m is equal to 37 minus 7. See, here we have plus 7. If you shift this plus 7 to the right hand side, it becomes minus. The sign always changes. Divide becomes multiply, multiply becomes divide. So 37 minus 7. Now 5m is equal to 30. Now the relation between m and 5 is multiplication. So if 5 goes to right hand side, multiply becomes divide. So m is equal to 30 divided by 5, that is 5 6 is 30. M is equal to 6. This is the number of marbles Parmit has. Therefore, Parmit has 6 marbles. This is your answer. To the next question, number 3, number 2. It's almost the same with number 1. Here statement is given. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? So in terms of his father's age, we are asked to find out the actual age of Lakshmi. As we have done in the number 1, we have to assume Lakshmi's age with variables. Let Lakshmi's age be y or any other variable like x, y, z, a, b, c or any you can put according to the question. or say according to the statement given in the book. Lakshmi's father's age is 49 years old. Let us put Lakshmi's father's age here. 49 years. Now, it is written that he is 4 years older than. 4 years older than. Older than means plus 4. 4 years older than 3 times. 3 times means multiply. 3 times Lakshmi's age. Here, Lakshmi's age is X, Y. So, 3 times Lakshmi's age, 49. That is, your equation is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Now, let us start again. 3y is equal to 49 minus 4. That is plus. Sign, if it shifts to right hand side, it becomes minus. 3y is equal to 49 minus 4, it's 45. Now, y is equal to 45 by 3. Y is equal to, if you divide this, 3y is a 3, 5 is a 15. That is 15. Here is your answer. Or you can write. Therefore, Lakshmi's age is 15 years. This is Lakshmi's age. I hope you are clear with number 2. It's almost the same with number 1. Now let us move on to the next question, that is number 3. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? Actually, in this particular chapter, setting up equation is difficult. Once you set up the equation, it is very easy to find out. For that, you have to know English. So I can say, as mathematics is important subject, English subject is also important. They are equally important. If you don't know English properly, you cannot set up the equation. Let the number of fruit trees planted be, okay, X this time. Let us put X. Therefore, by the question or by the statement given in the book, you have to set up a question, that is, the number of non-fruit trees were more than 3 times. That means more than means plus 2, 3 times. Whenever you put a times, it becomes multiply. That is, you can write 3 times. More than 2 of 3 times is 77. These are the number of non-fruits planted. This is the number of fruits planted. We don't know. Now we have to find out the value of X. Let us begin. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. 3x is equal to 75. Now x is equal to 75 by 3, that is 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15. That is x is equal to 25. Therefore, the number of fruit trees planted is 25. This is your answer. So we have completed solving 3 questions. Here what we can learn from these 3 questions is that setting up the equation is the one we have to learn. In order to set the question according to the statement, one must know proper English. Unless you are well acquainted with proper English, you cannot set the question. So, as mathematics is important, English is also important. Say, they are the 2 sides of coin. It is something like that. Unless you know English properly, you cannot set the question. So, thank you.